everything's okay. Just breaks right off. So fill it in. All right, so I ordered some Bondo. So a tube of Bondo, and that's not a two-part, but a single part Bondo. That's supposed to be good for this, but I just realized I was looking around and I got this thing here, which is a plastic wood filler. This one is sustainable paintable. The important thing is interior and exterior, and this one doesn't shrink that much either. For cracked gouges, holes, shrink and crack resistant. It's strong. You can sand it and paint it as well. So I'm going to think that this is probably similar, if not the same thing as the Bondo premix that comes in a tube, a 4-ounce tube, which I ordered already, but I don't want to wait. It's going to come in about 3-4 days, and I need to drive tomorrow morning, so I'm going to put some of this on, see if it works. So I guess just let it dry. Let it dry and see. Let it dry and let's see how it holds up. Okay, so it's next day. Dry it overnight. It's pretty hard. Just sand it down. We got our little sanding sponge. It's pretty easy. That's it. We're done. Alright, so I'm going to do some touch up here. We got the right paint. I think it's the right paint. Today we're going to be using the this one. It's a Duplicolor scratch and fix. Get it in any auto parts store. This is the color we're going to try out. We're using a Chrysler Mineral Gray ACC 0433, which is probably close, that's a guess. Oh, it's looking good so far. Nice and metallic. This is much improved. Much improved. I'll give it a little shake again. This wheel's pretty messed up. This really messed up. Some other parts of it, it's just bad. We'll do this part too. Let's paint it first. Actually, the paint filled it pretty nice. Puts a nice sparkle on it. All right, so this is it. We're done here. we just do a clear coat. Okay, I'm gonna show you something really pretty good. This is a scratch eraser kit, 20 bucks. Coolest thing is this comes with this little attachment for your drill. Got just enough of this to take out quite a lot of scratches. Probably everything in your car for a while. So we got our drill, and we just mount this head onto the drill. It comes with it. So let's see what happens. We're trying to take out these scratches right here. All these scratches on the handle. So over time, you just get these on the car. We're gonna just put some in an X pattern. And then you just use like a medium speed. Just go over 4 to 6 times. Pretty sure you got it pretty good. That's probably good enough. Let's wipe it off and see what happens. Let's check it out. Look at that. Most of it's gone. Still got some scratches there. We can do a little bit more. We could do a little bit more. Looking pretty good. It's actually much improved. Might be hard to see, but because you got a little bit of glare, you got a lot of glare on there, but it's not that noticeable. I mean, it's so much better than before. Look at that, very nice. That's McGuire's scratch eraser kit, 20 bucks. It's a great deal.